The number one misconception about acupuncture pertains to needles. The number two myth, in my mind, is that acupuncture is only useful for painful conditions. And I talked a bit about even when there's something mechanically wrong with the body, or some injury or damage has taken place, how acupuncture can still help create a sense of wholeness, an increased sense of function, a decreased sense of certainly decreased pain levels, even when there's something seriously wrong. So but the other side of that point about pain is that acupuncture is very useful for stimulating the immune system. And if you got a cold or flu, that's one of the main ways. Someone will be coming in for a pain condition, and that day they have a cold, or a cold is starting, so I treat them for that instead. And they're like, "Wow, it really works for that cold." Well, yeah, it sure does. Works for the cold. Works for recently, 2008. The International Journal of Radiation Oncology, Physics and Biology, I believe is the title of the journal, published a study on breast cancer, women going through breast cancer, and how they are unable to get hormone replacement therapy, even though they experience a lot of perimenopause type symptoms, especially while they're going through treatment for the breast cancer. But if the doctors gave those patients hormone replacement, it would actually stimulate the growth of the cancer. So they can't do that. So they compared acupuncture to one of the drugs that they can give, and found that the acupuncture was more long-lasting, had side benefits, increase to the patient's sense of well-being, and controlled the symptoms better, or as well as the drug, without negative side effects. So when my friend first emailed me that study, I thought, well, acupuncturists know that. Acupuncturists have been treating menstrual irregularity, hormonal irregularity, for hundreds of years. Now we have the study demonstrating that around breast cancer issues, and that's just one really good example of acupuncture working on a system in the body that isn't specifically pertaining to pain or pain symptoms.